To create an experience in Novelingo Studio, we click Create Experience. Next, we enter an idea. It does not need to be too detailed. It is enough to clearly explain what we want to create. Then, we choose the visual style of the experience. In advanced settings, we can specify the target audience, the scope of the experience, the main topic, and the difficulty. It is also possible to edit the learning objectives and the story requirements. In addition, a reference file can be uploaded or a URL with additional information can be added. This helps the platform generate a more accurate experience. When the configuration is ready, we click Generate Ideas. The platform will suggest several options. We can review each one and edit the title, the synopsis, the characters, or the backgrounds. Once the idea has been chosen, we click Generate Story. In the top right corner, the tasks in progress are displayed, and they can be stopped if necessary. Once the experience has been created, from the editor, we can modify the dialogues, change the options, and regenerate characters, backgrounds, or even the cover. In addition, it is now possible to translate the story into several languages quickly and easily. Finally, we publish the experience. We can leave it in hidden mode, share it with a specific group of people, or make it public. To share it, a QR code or a link can be used. And so, in just a few steps, Novelingo Studio allows you to create, edit, translate, and share interactive experiences accessible to any audience.